Welcome again to yet another episode on Foods 254. I'm your host and nutritionist Stella. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, it's not fair. Kindly feel free to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. For our new viewers, Foods 254 is a platform where we explore foods of Kenya with keen interest to their nutritional value. And my guest, our chef today, he's not new to us. As I told you guys earlier, he's been in the industry for a very, very long time. And he's also a consultant. So by now, you already know who I'm talking about. It's Kevin.
Thank you very much, Stella.
Welcome again to the show.
Asante.
You've become a member.
I'm part of the family.
Next time utakuwa host.
Alafu utakuwa chef.
Anyway, welcome again to the show.
Asante.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you have fun the other time you were here?
Oh, yes.
That, what did we prepare?
Black beans.
The black beans, the njahe. I hope you watch. If you've not watched that video, please check out that njahe recipe that Chef Kevin prepared. So, leo unatuchangamkia na nini?
Today we're doing something that's very common.
Okay.
Very affordable in our markets today. We're going to do various ways of cooking sweet potatoes.
Do you want to introduce yourself again?
Yes, my name is Chef Kev Kinoti. Thank you for having me at your show again.
Of course.
Yes, and so today we're doing a twist with sweet potatoes.
A twist with sweet potatoes.
Yes, we used to boiling the sweet potatoes.
Yeah, me too. Najua tu hiyo ya kuboil. So you're going to show us different ways of how you can prepare your sweet potatoes.
Yes.
Okay.
So we'll do two dishes.
Okay.
One is sweet potato hash browns. Very good for breakfast. It's just, instead of using the normal Irish potatoes for hash browns, we use sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
Then we'll also do a sweet potato hash, something that you can do for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, as brunch. Just an every time dish.
Wow.
Yes.
Without wasting any time, I don't know what sweet potato hash browns are, but along the way, we are going to learn.
Yes.
So let's start. Our ingredients, whatever we need. We are doing two dishes, right?
Yes, two dishes, yeah.
Okay.
So for sweet potato hash browns,
Hash browns.
we are going to do, we have grated sweet potatoes.
Okay.
It's very easy. It's just like grating carrots. You just peel the sweet potatoes and grate.
And you grate them?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then, so that you can avoid them discoloring, you just put them in water.
Okay.
So this is what we have here.
This is already...
Yes.
Okay.
So for the hash browns, we will want to do, this is the sweet potatoes.
Okay.
So what we do, we'll just try as much as possible to squeeze all the water from the sweet potatoes. Okay. Because this is just to avoid the hash browns to become soggy. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, to avoid.
Okay, so this is the first step that you need to do.
Yes.
Okay.
So the next step, we'll just put in some of the flour.
Okay.
We'll need around...
All-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour.
Yes.
We'll need like 2 tablespoons of that.
This is a teaspoon, that's why tulieka 4.
Lakini it's just a rough estimate.
Okay.
Yeah. Then we'll put in some mixed spice. Kidogo tu.
Mixed spices.
Some kidogo chili powder.
Is this really ini Kenyan meal ama ni madoido? It's just...
Okay, the thing is, you just take what you have available and make the best use of it. And make it as nutritious and tasty as you want it.
As possible.
So after you put in some salt, we're going to put in some chopped garlic as well.
Okay. Kiasi gani?
Kidogo too, like half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon?
Yes.
Si watu wa garlic.
Utaki kwa domineering. The reason why we're putting that,
okay.
We also have a herb. This is Chinese garlic as well.
Okay, I want to be racist.
This is Chinese garlic.
Chinese.
It's like spring onion, but the smell is like garlic.
Okay.
This is very good, especially when you're doing something that we need to contrast colors with.
Okay.
We'll be using it so much today. Okay. So it looks like spring onion. It will help bring out a very good color once you're done with cooking. Okay. And at the same time, it's very nutritious as well. So after that, we'll put in 2 eggs, but we'll have to beat the eggs first.
Okay.
Then we add in 2. So those are just the few ingredients we'll use for our sweet potato hash browns.
Okay.
Then we'll mix this up. That's it. Ready for cooking. That's
easy.
Very easy. So we'll prepare our pan.
Okay.
We'll heat it up with some oil.
Okay.
Just not too much. We're not deep frying, but shallow frying. But we'll need it to heat up a little bit, then we'll make our hash browns. We'll make our hash browns.
Okay.
Si kazi ngumu.
So, unajua, you can do this with the normal potatoes?
The normal potatoes as well.
Okay.
So, once you do that, you want to give it a nice shape.
So, how do you know zimeiva? Once they brown?
Once they brown.
So that's where the name brown ilitoka?
Yes.
So the other ones are still brown? The other ones would be brown?
It will be a different cooking method.
Okay.
Yes. So, almost done, actually. Sorry.
Hey, unataka kunitoa macho.
How do you like the color?
Good.
Golden brown, eh?
Si isipite hapo, ikipita hapo.
Iko sawa sasa. Very crispy.
Yeah.
We'll present this later on. Takuanza. Unajaje?
Moto.
So, for our sweet potato hash browns, ziko tayari. So we'll do sweet potato hash.
Okay, sweet potatoes hash. Without the browning.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is a dish.
So what do you need for, what are your ingredients for
My ingredients
the next recipe?
For this next recipe are eggs.
Eggs
that
again.
will come in last.
Okay.
So our main ingredient is the sweet potatoes,
Sweet
but this
potato.
time peeled and cut into small cubes. Then we have kale or
sukuma wiki.
Yes, we have some garlic as well. We have onion cubes. We have red and green pepper. We have coriander, and we have some turmeric and some chili powder. Those are the ingredients you're going to use, and of course salt and oil.
Okay.
So we'll want to start off with
the onions.
With cooking the onions.
So because today it's all about sweet potatoes, well, these sweet potatoes and the name superfood, it's now a superfood because of the amount of nutrients they have. Just one sweet potato, by the way, it gives you like 400% of vitamin A. Maybe then kuna shida ya macho. So kuna shida ya macho. So it gives you like 400% of vitamin A that you need each day. This helps you with your eyes, you know, as well as your immune system, your body's defense against germs, you know. And it's also good for your reproductive system and organs, like heart, kidneys, you know. Yeah, so it's a superfood. It's qualified to be called a superfood. Yeah.
Oh, nice. I didn't know this much information.
You know, for a food to eat a superfood, it really has to be very, very nutritious.
True.
Yeah.
So we'll put in some green pepper. Put in some dhania as well.
Some dhanias.
Yes, coriander. So once we cook the vegetables, that mixture.
Wow, looks nice.
We put it aside. So we'll try to, we'll cook the sweet potatoes.
Tunazifry.
Tutazifry.
There's a taste moja.
So tutazifry kidogo.
Okay.
Siwezi kuchoma. Hata kuchomeka it's for a good cause. Si ni kupika.
Research shows that sweet potatoes may be an excellent addition to a diabetic diet. You know, it's a common misconception that diabetics must avoid carbohydrates altogether. What matters is the type of carbohydrates and spreading them, you know, throughout the day. Because sweet potatoes are a low glycemic food and very high in fiber, which means they release and absorb glucose into the bloodstream very slowly, preventing a spike in blood sugar. I hope unasikia.
Nakusikiza.
Yes. So diabetic patients can consume sweet potatoes depending on how you prepare it. Remember, everything is in moderation. Yeah. Unaweka rive?
Kidogo tu. We'll let them cook for around 10 minutes.
Okay.
We want them to soften up a little bit.
Okay.
So, yes, zetu Mwana rive imekauka.
Hakuna rive? No river Jordan here.
Yeah. Just kidogo liquid to make it cook. Yeah?
Okay.
So, once that is done,
Skuma wiki. I've never prepared skuma wiki on this show. So why did you cut them near size?
For texture and at the same time
or nutrients. No, but for restaurants they do cut your size. Is it for color, pop?
It'll shrink.
Oh yeah.
When it shrinks, it'll cut.
But it looks really nice.
Then we'll put back our fried ingredients.
Wow. Kuna mtu? All this inaenda waste. Hadi umegongesha sahani. Hasira.
Amesikia. So, how do you like the color?
I love the color. Give me the color. It really looks nice. Very nice. Tuliweka salt?
Tutaweka salt sai.
Okay.
Tutaweka salt. Salt yetu iko hapa.
Good. Hey.
Kidogo. Kidogo. Instead na turmeric powder.
Turmeric ni ya yellow?
Yes.
Leo sieke firi. In a sweet potato. Someone will think they are mangoes.
Let me show you something. Then you...
Okay.
Break your egg.
Boy, you've got talent. Sawa. Mimi nimezoea ugali sukuma.
Bado unajionaza kama kwa ugali. Una season chumvi yako. I mean mayai yako. Una season mayai yako. Leta hiyo red pepper. Kidogo. Just kidogo. Pinch. So we want our eggs to cook. Najua watu wengi hawapendi mayai ikiwa
hivyo. Hata mimi sipendi, napendanga ishikane.
So what we'll do, we'll just cover it.
So haitaungua?
Haitaungua. Then you give it a few minutes.
Okay. So our food iko ready? Iko bien. You know, as French people we say iko bien. How do you guys say that, you German people?
Nitakufunza. Umepotea. You know, when you speak a lot of English, unasahau German.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay, so present your food.
Okay. So we have our hash browns ready.
Hapa wanakuogopa kwa kugarnish. Hapo sasa ndio
yeah,
sekta yako
This goes very well with yogurt.
I want to
taste. It
taste.
goes very well with sweet and sour sauce as well.
Okay.
So today we're going to do yogurt. And then we'll put in some mint leaves in there. With some fresh mint leaves.
Okay.
Hapo. Then you may want to garnish your hash browns kidogo. And utapeleka kwa meza?
Meza ni mimi. Meza ni mimi. Aki, what can't you make?
Today pika nitakwambia ni
because this is great. Fantastic.
Would you want to present the next meal?
Oh,
tutasema ni wewe plate. We don't have to put it in the plate.
You want to edit?
Yes.
Ni mimi. So hii atuweki kwa plate. Tunaiweka tu hapa.
Yeah.
Nayo. So this is potato hash prepared by Sela. Stroke. I invited Kevo to anisaidie tu kupitisha chumvi. Should I open it?
Yes. Was surprise.
Voila. Hey, mwana Steve. Damn. I feel like niko country ingine. Like there's so many different ways we can prepare our meals, especially the sweet potatoes. Mimi being one of them, nilijua you just boil or maybe roast. But now we've been introduced to other terms. Kuna hash. Hash potato.
Kuna hash na kuna
hash brown. Hash brown. Potato hash.
Yeah.
Wow, this is great. You're doing good. Nenda mbali. Yeah. Are you proud of yourself? You should be hata sijaonja. Nilikuwa nataka nionje but nitakula.
Najua sikuonja utakula.
Nitatesa. Yeah. So I know again and again they know where to find you, but remind them for our new viewers.
So Kev Kinoti, I'm a chef. I run small eatery under the name of Food Prompt. Total Ongata guy around the Laser Hill area.
Okay.
I also run a page on Facebook, Kev Kinoti Cooking Simplified.
Ayo ni refu.
And then on Instagram as well, Kev Mpishi, where you get various recipes, including what we've prepared today. We'll be uploading it soon on the Facebook and Instagram page.
And Instagram.
Yes.
Wow. I'm happy. Thank you for coming back again and again and again. I will invite you. Itabidi wazoe face. Sweet potatoes are an excellent addition to a balanced diet. However, they do contain something known as oxalates, which bind calcium and other minerals. Too many oxalates in the diet may cause kidney stones and so should be eaten in moderation. Remember, as I told you earlier, everything should always be in moderation. I'm sure you enjoyed today's recipe. For your video production services, makeup services, don't hesitate to holla. We got you covered. Smartage Media, wako hapo. EJ Beauty, hapo. We are on social media platforms. Our Facebook page is Foods254. We are on Instagram, Foods254_KE. And on Twitter, we're still there. We are there, we are new. But check us out, Apple. And what else have I not said? Come on, just subscribe, please. Subscribe too, please. It's not fair. You're watching our videos every time. You are liking, you are comment. Now just subscribe. So please subscribe and share our content. See you again next time. And bye-bye. Toodles. Bye.